Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore the new IKEA store opened recently in Subhash Nagar Pacific Mall. और ये ओपन हुआ है लोअर ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे. सो वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द न्यूली ओपन IKEA स्टोर एंड I'm really excited to see कि कैसा है, कितने स्पेस में है and all those things. And you can see that home center जो ऊपर था वो नीचे आ चुका है. So yes, it is next to each other. And this is IKEA और 30 minutes की wait के बाद, long queue के बाद, we are finally entering inside the store. And this is how all the items are displayed and you can have a look. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि I'll try to cover as much as I can. And so let's explore the store together. So I like these cushions and ये 599 की रेंज में है और यहाँ पे और भी cushions आपको मिल जाएंगे different so you can see them. And this is how the dining table is displayed and this is for 22,990 and जितना भी सामान आपको यहाँ पर दिख रहा है, each and every tag is there. So in IKEA, how does it work? You have to click the photo of the tag if you whatever you want, and then you can pay for it and collect it. But छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें तो हम खुद ही collect करके लेकर जा सकते हैं for the billing. So अब हम आ गए किचन वाले सेक्शन में जहाँ पे you will find these jars and then there are other things as well. Knife set रहेगा and बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. So the crockery over here, the colors you can see are vibrant. I mean I really like them. Sober भी है and अगर आपको colorful कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा आपको यहाँ पर. So yeah, the collection is really good and these are the tiny little glasses which are looking very cute. So yeah, I mean I really like it. Then you'll also find a lot many other things. Of course, this is the bedroom section and then you can find this stuff over here like pillows and ये सामने throw है. So I mean I really like it and this is only for 699. So you can choose your color and take it with you. I like the white one. So these are the beautiful cushion covers along with the cushions. So आप वो भी ले सकते हो यहाँ से and I really like all the designs and बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. And then the bed sheets are there. Curtains ले सकते हो, bedside runners, doormats, there are variety of things जो आप daily use करते हैं and the quality is superb since it is IKEA of course. And ये कुछ organizers हैं, it is in the range of 199 and then there are more organizers and organizers are always good to have at home. So yeah, now coming to this section, this is the greenery, nature. I mean this is the favorite part of the store, my favorite part of course. And I love nature, I love plants, greenery and everything. And this is the rose plant जो कि बिल्कुल real लग रहा है and I really love it. Although these all plants are artificial but they are looking real and मेरे पास कुछ already हैं because I got them from Bangalore IKEA. So I'm not going to purchase it right at this point of time. Maybe later कुछ और लेने का मन हुआ तो I'll purchase them. And you will find variety of flowers over here and variety of plants. Then flowers आपको मिल जाएगा. It starts from 199 onwards and then बहुत सारी अच्छी range है यहाँ पे. So you can select the one that you like. Then they have variety of candles, beautiful candles they have और अलग-अलग sizes यहाँ पे sell करते हैं and the prices are different. So tea light है, pillar candles हैं, the smaller ones they have. Then these are the beautiful lamps that they have and I really like the lamps that IKEA has. And they also have the sale going on, so you can purchase according to your requirement. बहुत ही रीजनेबल प्राइस में ये लैम्प्स मिलेंगे आपको. So the lamp starts from 399 and above, and then you can see these photo frames. तो वो भी आप ले सकते हो. And then these are the clocks. 299 से start होती है and of course goes up in range again. And then next to the clock section you'll find the mirror section. These are the beautiful mirrors, so you can explore these as well. So this was a small tour of Delhi's IKEA store. I hope you liked it. And this is how the Pacific Mall looks from outside, so you can come and explore it. Now these are the things which I got from there. So this is a knife sharpener, and I don't know why did I get it, but it's okay. And this is a lamp which I got for 449. And then these are the jars जो कि बहुत ही sleek से हैं. That is what I liked in it. And 299 की range में ये चारों हैं. Then the cushion covers 199. And then the good deal on throw which I got 699. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.